Side trip on my way home from Flagstaff today, and I thought I'd be a tourist in my own state and drive through Sedona. It's a really beautiful drive. When you get to town, it gets very congested and touristy. And I was planning on going to one of the state parks, but today's a Saturday, and even with COVID, there's a lot of tourists. I don't really feel like paying a park fee, and I kind of just want to get back on the road because I did take a little stop inside my favorite hippie store, which is called Crystal Magic, and just had to take a look around at some of the fun crystals and cards and artwork and things that they have there, and pick up a couple of things for gifts and stuff like that. So anyways, it's a gorgeous day. If you ever come to Sedona, make sure you plan a day around it. Find areas ahead of time that offer free parking. I know there's a ton of restaurants in town that have really good food and good views and drinks and things like that. So unfortunately, I'm not a Sedona expert, but it is a really nice place to visit for the day and drive through. I actually pulled off the road onto the parking lot of the high school. That's why there's a football field behind me. And I just think it's funny when you see schools and places like this that are really scenic. And I think it'd be interesting to go to a school like that. And somebody's here for soccer practice. So, all right, you guys, have a good one. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and peace out.